इस तरह से एबिलिटी चेक करनी है ताकि हम प्रोग्राम डिज़ाइन करें कि हमने इसको तो इन यू हैव टू उस पर्सपेक्टिव में अगर आप बात करते हैं तो यस यू कैन फाइंड आउट कि फाइन मोटर कहाँ है, ग्रॉस मोटर कहाँ है, लैंग्वेज कहाँ पे है, तो उसकी इमिटेशन स्किल्स कहाँ पे हैं, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप.
Thank you. And my second question, the icons that you have showed in the box is pretty impressive, but where we can make it? What website can we use to make those? Because there are plenty.
Are you talking about the PEG?
Yes.
It's a board maker.
And the icons
it's a board maker program that we do have at ARC, but
the board maker program is available at ARC. That's at Maisha Memorial. So you can get in touch with me and you can take out whatever you need to know. And there are other programs and there's a lot of literature available for whosoever is interested. And you can get it copied.
Yes, please pass on the. Just a minute. Just have mic.
The vestibular that you talked about, should the child be allowed to indulge in it? Because my son, he gets stimulated by seeing magazines and reading words of the magazine. And sometimes it has an adverse effect on him and he becomes very hyper, he just gets up and starts to run. But you said that somehow it's a good thing to let the child indulge in the stimulant.
It is good, but it has to be structured. Like it can be used as अगर आप ये काम करते हो, then you'll get this magazine. If there's a specific magazine and he likes to look at the words, then you can turn it into an incentive. And then you can give him, you can structure आप उसको एक तो काम के बाद दें, उसके बाद आप उसको टाइम करें. Use a timer and say you can get it for 5 minutes and after that we'll put it away. So he might not like it. एक तो ये है ना कि उसके पास free access है and he doesn't want to let go and gets overstimulated. और एक होता है कि थोड़ा सा उससे रिलीफ मिलती है, काम होता है, लेकिन उसको आपको एक तरह से टाइट्रेट करना पड़ता है कि कितना टाइम, कितनी देर के लिए, कहाँ पे, तो उसको स्ट्रक्चर कंट्रोल अपने पास उसका रखिए, लेकिन यूज इट थ्रू a certain visual schedule.
The second question that you said it's on the rise, like it's like 1 to 100 ratio. Have answers to why is it on the rise, autism?
उसमें 3 बातें कही जाती हैं. सबसे पहले तो ये कहते हैं कि पहले डायग्नोस्टिक अवेयरनेस नहीं थी, अब हम ज़्यादा डायग्नोज कर रहे हैं, कई दफ़ा ओवर डायग्नोज कर रहे हैं. सेकेंड थिंग दे से इट्स इन्वायरमेंटल, और उसमें बहुत सी चीज़ों को ब्लेम किया गया है. वैक्सीनेशंस को किया गया है, पोल्यूटेंट्स को किया गया है, पेस्टिसाइड, इन सब चीज़ों को किया गया है. अब ये अभी तक ये सिर्फ थ्योरेटिकल है, कोई चीज़ प्रूवन नहीं है. ठीक है, अभी तक बहुत रिसर्च हुई है. वैक्सीन अगर एक लिंक
outside so they can pick up because so they can get up this material which they want. Number 2 is perhaps
as I said in the introduction, this is a group and the office of this group, thanks to Dr. Kirmani, who took the initiative of offering us this space and understood that it is a challenge which needs to be addressed, is at Maisha Memorial, and the counseling services are available over there. Plus we have a website by the name of Pakistan Autism Meetup Group, which links professionals, expatriate professionals with our local community. So I would be outside and I would be, whatever help you need, I would be there. I would be your most welcome.
May remind these facilities also available at NIH also.
Yes. Next.
First of all, Madam, thank you for sparing your time. So my question is that, as you said that these children, they need to be taught specifically on one-to-one basis. So, as you said, to take the example of a 12-year-old who went to the special school and then he came back to you. So, with your experience, would you say that we should send our children to some educational institutes, or should we first train them at home and then send them to those institutions?
A good idea is to have some sort of home-based program despite of sending the child to school or not. स्कूल जाए वो अपनी सोशल स्किल्स के लिए भी और कुछ काम के लिए, बट इफ़ यू हैव अ होम बेस्ड प्रोग्राम, और अगर बच्चा छोटा है अभी स्कूल शुरू नहीं किया, विच इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ अर्ली इंटरवेंशन, तो तब तो आप घर में पहले शुरू करके उसको आप एक बूस्टअप देते हैं. बट इवन इफ द चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू स्कूल, आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड कि 1-1.5 घंटा शाम में एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रोग्राम घर में रखिए, वीकेंड पे रखिए, और उसको साइड बाय साइड चलाइए स्कूल के साथ. तो और उसमें ये होता है कि अगर कुछ स्किल्स वो घर में कर रहा है तो देन यू कैन कम्युनिकेट टू द टीचर. इफ द टीचर सेज कि ये चीज़ वो नहीं कर रहा, यू कैन ऑलवेज से कि यू नो दिस इज हाउ वी वर्किंग एट होम and this is how it's worked for us, the writing or reading, or this is the math program that's worked for him. So can you get him to, can you use the same one, apply the same in the class?
Yes,
Or,
last question.
ये ऑटिस्टिक प्लस ADHD बच्चों के लिए स्पेशल स्कूल जाना अच्छा रहेगा या मेन स्ट्रीम में सब के साथ?
ये हर बच्चे पे डिपेंड करता है. चंद बच्चे कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि उनका स्कूल में कुछ टाइम, अगर फुल डे नहीं तो हाफ डे ज़रूर हो. चंद बच्चे जी
मेन स्ट्रीम में बच्चे एक्सेप्ट करते हैं क्या उनको?
मेन स्ट्रीम, वेल इन कैनेडा और पाकिस्तान का मुझे पता नहीं.
पाकिस्तान में ये बात है ना कि आप दुनिया भर में जो है वो चेंज क्यों आया है, एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी क्यों आई है, बिकॉज द पेरेंट्स गॉट अप एंड दे सेड दैट आवर चाइल्ड नीड्स इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी. So you need to wake up and say that our child is an active member of your community and he needs to be offered equal opportunity as other children of this community are offered. So I would, once you do that, there would be a change in your community. Nobody would reject your child and would try to understand because it's a requirement.
Okay, thank you very much. I think we have to vacate the hall now. It's a big time. No, you can talk to doctor after this. No, we have no time. I request Dr. Kirmani to say a few words about this workshop. And then I will ask our Vice President, Dr. Mr. Tariq Shafi, to come over. And Mr. Idal Ali could say the word.
It was my pleasure to be here, but I think I spent about more than an hour or so. I've enjoyed listening to your talk. Only 2 days back we had an update, but this was done by Mr. Aftab Alamdeen from Canada, a psychologist. So here is the trying to do our center, and we are trying to do whatever we can do. But I'm really enjoyed it. Thank you very much for
Mr. Tariq Shafi, the Vice President of the Child Aid Association, and he is hosting the lunch today for the participants. And I must thank the participants because it's because of them we are able to hold this wonderful workshop.
Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, actually everything has been already said. So I have nothing to say special. I thank you very much for your coming here and giving your time. Autism, I have been passing through it also. I would like to share with you a few